Hello everyone, welcome to all. Recently we have seen a news from Central Educational Minister that is nothing but reduction of CBSE portion of class 9 to class 12. But many of the children don't know clearly about the topics which are deleted. So in this video I am going to explain the removed topics of mathematics of class 9 and class 10. So please watch the video till the end. Let's see the topics what and all deleted in class 9th and class 10th. Now the reduction of portion of mathematics in class 9. Here chapter name topics. Clearly the chapter name and topics everything I will tell you, please note down. First unit number system. Here we have real numbers. In these three topics are deleted. The first one is representation of terminating, non-terminating, recurring decimals on number line through successive magnification. The successive magnification concept is deleted. Second one, explaining that every real number is represented by a unique point on the number line. Conversely, every point on the number line represents a unique real number. Third one, definition of nth root of a real number. These three topics are deleted from real numbers. Please note down. Let's see next topic. Here second unit, algebra. We have polynomials. In this, two things are deleted. First one, state the remainder theorem with the examples. Statement and proof of the factor theorem. One more also deleted, x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. This formula we have in polynomials. This formula also deleted. Next topic, linear equations in two variables. Examples, problems on ratio and proportion. This topic deleted. Third unit, coordinate geometry. In coordinate geometry, though there is no deletion. Let's see next topic. Fourth chapter. Fourth unit, geometry. Here we have introduction to Euclid's geometry. The entire chapter was deleted. Next, lines and angles. No deletion. There is no deletion in lines and angles. Next, triangles. In triangles, two important things are deleted. The first one is ASA congruence. Two triangles are congruent if any two angles and included side of one triangle is equal to any two angles and the included side of other triangle. ASA congruency criteria deleted. Next one, triangles inequality. This concept also deleted. Please note down. Quadrilaterals. There is no deletion in quadrilaterals. Next, area. The entire chapter was deleted. Circles. In circles, 2 points deleted. There is one and only one circle passing through the three given non-collinear points. Second one, if a line segment joining 2 points subtend equal angle at two other points lying on the same side of the line containing the segment, the 4 point lie on a circle. These 2 points deleted. Next one, constructions. The construction of a triangle when perimeter and base angle given. This topic deleted. Please note down. Let's see next one. Unit 5, mensuration. Here areas. Application of Heron's formula finding area of quadrilateral. This topic deleted. Surface area and volume, there is no deletion. Unit 6, statistics and probability. In statistics, three topics deleted: histograms, frequency polygons, mean, median and mode of ungrouped data. Next one, probability. In probability, there is no deletion. This is about class 9. The topics what and all deleted, please note down. Accordingly you practice. Let's see class 10. Class 10, portion deduction. Here also chapter name and topics removed I am giving here. Please note down. The first unit is nothing but number system. Real numbers we have here. Euclid's division lemma. Entire topic was deleted. Second unit, algebra. Here we have polynomials. In this statement and simple problems on division algorithm for polynomials with real quotient. This topic deleted. Pair of linear equation in two variables. Cross multiplying method, we have that entire cross multiplication method deleted. Quadratic equation. Situational problems based on equations reducible to quadratic equation. This topic deleted, means last exercise deleted. Arithmetic progression. Application involving daily life problems based on sum to n terms. Last 5 or 6 problems, application problems only deleted in AP. Let's see next topics. Unit 3. Coordinate geometry. In coordinate geometry, the topic area of the triangle fully deleted, means exercise 7.3 fully deleted. Unit 4. Geometry. Triangles we have. In these two theorems deleted. First one, the ratio of the areas of two similar triangles is equal to ratio of the squares of any corresponding sides. That is the first one. Second one, in a triangle, if square of one side is equal to sum of the squares of other two sides, the angle opposite to first side is right angle. These two theorems are deleted. Please note down. Circles. In circles there is no deletion. Constructions. Construction of a triangle similar to a given triangle. This topic deleted. Please note down the topics what and all deleted. Let's see next. Next unit, trigonometry. Introduction to trigonometry. The ratios whichever are defined at 0 degrees and 90 degrees are deleted. Trigonometric identities. Trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. Complementary angle concept deleted. Heights and distance. Heights and distance nothing but application of trigonometry. There is no deletion. Next unit, mensuration. Here areas related to circles. The problems on central angle of 120 degrees. Finding area of segment when central angle is 120. That problems deleted. Surface areas and volumes. Frustum cone. The concept is deleted. Let's see next one and last unit. That is nothing but statistics and probability. Statistics. Step deviation method for finding the mean. Cumulative frequency graph. These two topics was deleted in statistics. Probability. There is no deletion in probability. This is the class 10 topics what and all deleted in the year CBSE 2020 to 2021. So hope you note down all the points and you can see the recent message by our educational minister. What is the message here? Considering the importance of learning achievement, it has been decided to rationalize the syllabus up to 30% by retaining the core concepts. Keeping core concepts same, 30% portion was reduced or deleted for the year 2020 to 2021. This is the topics what and all deleted in class 9 and class 10. I clearly explained you. So please note down the topics what and all deleted and remove the topics from your NCERT textbook also. And the remaining topics you please prepare and plan accordingly. All the best for your academics. Please like, comment, share and don't forget to subscribe.